Have you ever wondered how to create those amazing mini worker videos that go viral, especially on Instagram and TikTok? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make them using AI. I know you've been searching for tutorials on YouTube, but I bet you've never found one that shows you exactly how to create the same high-quality videos you see online. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you how to make an even more realistic and high-quality version with stunning animation. To create these trending videos, you need to generate high-quality images using a well-detailed prompt to get the perfect result. Start by finding a reference image. You can either screenshot an image of mini workers from social media or use the one provided in the description of this video. Once you have the image, upload it to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Based on the uploaded photo, write a detailed prompt to create a similar image. Make sure the small people on a plate are busy preparing food using ladders and construction equipment. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed prompt to help you create a similar image. To add more variety, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 different prompts with the same style but featuring different kinds of food. The background should either be an urban kitchen or a train park for a more dynamic look. You can also experiment with different styles by changing the theme. Instead of preparing food, the mini workers can be doing makeup, washing a game controller, repairing a phone, or even decorating a cake. This will give you more creative options to make your videos stand out. Now copy the prompt you've gotten from ChatGPT. Then open a new chat by clicking the 2 lines and then the pencil icon. Paste the prompt and type, "Generate me an image using the prompt above in 9:16 ratio." In 2 to 3 seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with the image. Click on it, then click the download option to save to your device. Repeat the process for all 10 prompts. You can ask ChatGPT to generate other prompts based on your choice, such as making a burger, cosmetics, and many more options, so that your video will be different from other creators out there. The image are now ready. The next thing, which is the most important part that I want you to pay attention to, is animating these images to give us the perfect result. For this step, we will be using Hailuo AI. But ChatGPT generate images in WebP format, but we can't upload to Hailuo AI, we need to convert it to JPG. To do that, just import the image to any photo editor you have and export without editing anything, or use any WebP to JPG converter on Google. Then open Hailuo AI and upload the image. But before we proceed, these 3 videos you see on your screen were all generated using Hailuo AI. However, as you can see, only one of them gives us what we want. Let's move on, as I will show you how to create the best one. Remember, high-quality videos grab viewers' attention quickly, and more views mean more money. Open Hailuo AI and click on the Try Now button. Here are the videos I've generated with Hailuo AI. The first one was created using a short prompt. The second one was generated without a prompt. And the third one was made using an edited version of the first prompt. Let's preview them all and see. In case you are wondering how to animate, just switch to the image upload option. Make sure is at image to video and upload your image. When it's uploaded, you can type a small description of how you want the animation. To get the best animation, I will recommend using a short and concise prompt, and make sure you change the option to option 2. Believe me, this is the most important part of this video, so don't forget to change the option as stated while trying to create one. Now, there are just a few things left. Removing the watermark and adding sound effects to make the video more engaging. You can use sound effects from Pixabay or generate new ones with 11 Labs. For the watermark, you can either crop the area or use an app called Video Watermark Remover. Open the app and click on the Remove Watermark option. Then, import your video, select the watermark, and click on Export. As you can see, the watermark is completely removed. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.